In this video, we're going to show you a way that you can grow a productive garden to have life-sustaining food, but at the same time have a beautiful layout that you can have entertainment, pleasure, and relaxation throughout the seasons. Hi, my name's Annette. We help you to grow delicious food throughout the seasons and also show you strategies and how your garden can be a place of entertainment and surrounded with beauty. In this video, we're going to be going over 8 simple and exciting phases in getting your kitchen garden started. Whether you're starting from scratch or would like to redesign your current garden, either way, it's going to be a fun and productive experience. If you're new here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button, and also you'll be able to find more information in the description box below. Before we go into phase 1 of 8, let's take a moment to highlight each phase. In phase 1, we're going to be going over what is a kitchen garden, kitchen gardens of the past, and benefits in having a kitchen garden. In phase 2, we'll be going over how to select the right place for our kitchen gardens by asking ourselves 5 questions. Then in phase 3, we need to determine the right size for our kitchen gardens to meet our individual needs. And in phase 4, it's all about clearing that plot and getting it ready. In phase 5, this is where our kitchen garden really starts taking shape and form. It's going to be about our layouts, designs, themes, colors, structures, and of course, our growing beds to grow our food. In phase 6, it's about getting water to your kitchen garden. We're going to show you how you can successfully install a drip line system. In phase 7, it's about getting the soil ready for planting. Then in phase 8, it's going to be time to get the seeds and seedlings in the ground so we can start growing our fresh food, vegetables, fruit, herbs, and flowers for beauty and pollination. Now it's time to start at the beginning, phase 1. What is a kitchen garden? Basically, a kitchen garden is a garden where you grow all those fresh foods that we have talked about. It's close to your kitchen, but also it has a geometrical design to it that becomes your personal work of art. Now, another name you may hear for kitchen garden is potager. Potager is a French word that means kitchen garden, and it literally means for the soup pot. Back in yesteryears, people used to go to their kitchen gardens, gather what they had, and take it to their kitchens to make a pot of soup. Now, the history of kitchen gardens actually dates back for many centuries. It was a way the family could provide food and medicinal herbs for their personal use. And down through the years, it has a great, rich history in French and Old English culinary gardens. From the humble homes all the way to the historical estates, they all had kitchen gardens. Now let's talk about some of the benefits in having a potager kitchen garden. For starters, it's a fun way to garden. It's entertaining and it's beautiful. Our potagers will also help keep our kitchens supplied with fresh, high-quality, nutrient-dense food that you have grown yourself. You know, being out in your kitchen gardens, you actually can experience a nice calming dose of nature. Anything from the birds chirping to smelling the nice aromatic smells of your herbs and flowers and the beauty that surrounds all of it. Also in your kitchen gardens, you can have an area where you can have a table or a bench where you can sit and relax and have conversations with families and friends, invite them over for a picnic, something refreshing to eat or drink. Our kitchen gardens is a place of discovery and adventure. When we're out there working, we can see the plants growing from seeds to seedlings to harvest, and also it gives us opportunity to deepen our skill sets to become a better gardener with each changing season. Our potagers, kitchen gardens, can give each of us an unbelievable sense of accomplishments. All right, so now we're going into phase 2 of 8. And in phase 2, it's all about the location, choosing that right location. And in doing so, let's consider 5 questions. Question number 1, is it convenient? One of the characteristics to a kitchen garden is the accessibility. Unfortunately, the old cliche, out of sight, out of mind, holds true in many cases. And we definitely don't want that to hold true in building and accessing and maintaining our kitchen gardens. Question number 2 of 5 is, does it have good sunlight? Our gardens need to have at least 6 to 8 hours of good direct sunlight a day. Question number 3 is, does the location have good drainage? When you get a good hard rain, does the area drain well? Question number 4 of 5, does the location have a source of water? We know that we cannot always depend upon regular rainfalls. Therefore, we have to make sure that our gardens are kept well hydrated. So our kitchen gardens need to have access to a good water source. Question number 5, does the location have competing tree roots? We know that tree roots can grow far and extend way out, and they will compete with water and nutrition with whatever is in their path. So it is best to plant our kitchen gardens away from the trees. Now we're going into phase 3 of 8. Determine the size you want your potager kitchen garden to be. Now keep in mind, any size is going to work just fine. But however, if you are new to gardening, I would highly recommend for you to start small and work yourself up little by little, because gardening does take time and commitment, and you want to keep it manageable so you're not overwhelmed with it all. But whether you choose for it to be spacious or small, either way, you're going to receive many rewards. This is phase 4 of 8, clearing the plot. Now it's time to clear the area so we can start building our beautiful potagers, kitchen gardens. And we need to get out here and get rid of anything that's in our way. In the second video of 5, it's going to start with phase 5 of 8. It's going to take you through the layout of your kitchen garden. Also in phase 5, you're going to be going through 7 important steps in creating your layout. If you have found value in this video, please take time to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.